Hello everyone, it's Chris Lambert back again with another unboxing. Welcome to my channel. I haven't unboxed anything in a while, and I have a lot of things to unbox, so I figure I'll start with this one I got today. Let's find out what it is. It's from Klarstein.com. Let me get my little Walmart tool here. Cut this open and see what's inside here. Okay. What could it be? Okay. You got a metal lid here. It's supposed to be powder coated paint, I think they said it was. White with black trim around the edges. Set that here. Take this piece out. Got foam on the sides, that's nice. Okay, hang on, we'll get to it. Got foam on the bottom, and it looks like we have a metal container. What kind of container? Well, they call these farmhouse containers, and this is a bread container. You store your bread in. It's an extra large size. It's got a lot of room inside. Got a metal lid. Maybe you can even make this into one of those things that I forgot what they call it, but they protect your electronics during, so they don't get shorted out. I forgot what they call it, but anyway, yeah, that's it. I got this from Amazon. These usually run around $30 to $40 or higher. I saw this one was on sale for $23, so I got it for probably $25 to $30. Forgot what the total cost was, but you know, it's got handles on the side, riveted on, handles on the top. Some have a tubular type metal. This has like a tube that's been flattened out to reinforce it. So there we go. Bread container to keep your bread fresh. Holds 2 loaves of bread, and yeah, it's nice. So let me know if you like these unboxing videos, because I got a lot more stuff to unbox. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.